Morning Junior 5, how are you today? Today I'm going to make revision on the past simple. Remember, the past simple tells me this action happened and finished in the past. Maybe yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 hours ago, maybe last week, last year, last month, but this action finished, okay? Let's start to read number 1. She played tennis yesterday. She played tennis yesterday. Be careful. At the end we have yesterday. It tells me that this action finished, okay? So look at, what is the verb here, Junior 5? The verb here, played. We have what in this verb? We have ed. Why? Why this verb has ed? Because in this sentence we have yesterday. So I'm going to say she played tennis yesterday, okay? Let's go to number 2. They watched TV 2 hours ago. Ago tells me that this action finished, okay? Finished 2 hours ago. So the verb here, watched. This verb has what? Ed. Because this action finished, okay? Let's go to number 3. Rosie visited her grandma last week. Last week tells me that, okay, this action finished, happened and finished last week. So what is the verb here, Junior 5? Visited. This verb has ed, okay? Don't forget that. Let's start to answer number 1. My father to Paris last week. Last week tells me that this action finished, okay? So between the brackets we have what? This verb, our verb here, travel. So in the past, traveled. Excellent. Let's go to number 2. I a dictionary yesterday. So our verb here, buy. Remember, buy irregular verbs, so I can't put ed to this verb. So it will be bought. Buy, bought. Number 3, Max an email yesterday. Our verb here, send. So send is an irregular verb, so it will be sent. Okay? My mother French at school. Our verb here, study. Don't forget to cancel letter Y and put IED at the end, okay? So I will cancel Y. Number 5. So me a nice gift. Give. In the past, this is irregular verb, so it will be gave. Number 6, we dots at home last night. Be. Irregular verbs. In the past, were. We were at home last night. Eat a lot. Number 7, eat dots a lot last week. So rain in the past, rained with ed. Number 8, lots of people to Paris on holiday. Fly, irregular verbs, okay, so I can't put ed. So fly, flow. Number 9, Ali a nice poem, write. Irregular verb, so it will be wrote. Mom a great cake, bake. I will put only d because this verb ends with e, so put only d, baked, okay? Okay, Junior 5? Let's read our title, Junior 5, change into negative. Remember, negative means what? Negative means use not, okay? So let's start to read number 1. The children came came. So this verb here in the past form, came to school yesterday. So if I wanted to make negative, so I use done. The children didn't. Don't forget junior 5 after didn't infinitive verb. So came, it will be come. The children didn't come to school yesterday. What about number 2? Peter was ill last week. Okay, if I saw was, so I put only not. Okay, so Peter wasn't ill last week. So in this sentence I can't use didn't because we have what? We have was. Okay, number 3, we watched this film yesterday. So the verb here in the past form. So junior 5, use what to make negative? Didn't. Okay, so we didn't watch. Can I say didn't watch it? No. After didn't, infinitive verb without any addition. Okay, so didn't watch this film yesterday. Number 4, Tom spoke English. Okay, so this verb here, so Tom didn't. So this verb in the past form, I want the infinitive. So speak. Okay, I met Ali at the club last night. Met here in the past form, so I use what? Didn't. I didn't meet with double E. Okay, number 6, Grandma drove very fast. Remember this verb in the first form, drive, so I use what? Didn't. Grandma didn't what, junior 5? Drive. Okay, number 7, Peter had a birthday party last week. Okay, had, so I use didn't what? Can I say didn't had? No. The first form in this verb have, didn't have. 8, I received a letter from Max. So this verb in the past form, remember, didn't. Can I say receive? No, infinitive verb, so receive. This verb end with E. Okay, junior 5? Read the title, junior 5, make a question. Okay, so number 1, Pam came home yesterday. So remember, if I didn't have yes or no, so I use WH question. Okay, let's make revision. Okay, we use what to ask about things. Okay, we use where to ask about places. So we use when we ask about time. So we use how to ask about transportation. Okay, so here I'm asking about what? Pam came home yesterday. So I'm asking about time. So we use what? When. So let's start to write when. So after when, I need helper verb. So our verb here in the past form, so we use did. Okay, so did. What is number 3 here? Pam. After Pam, I write the verb but. Every time this verb in infinitive form. Okay, so come. Let's go to number 2. We went to the park after school. So I'm asking about what? Park. Park means what? Place. So we use what? Where. I need helper verb. I use did. So where did we? I will change we to you. Okay, so where did you went? Go. Where did you go after school? Can I write to the park? No. Okay, number 3, Mary ate a lot of sweets. Okay, so So it's something, okay? So we use what to ask about something. What? What is the helper verb here? Did, because the verb in the past form. So what did Mary? Can I write it? No, I need eat, the first form to the verb. What did Mary eat? Okay. Number 4. Be careful, Junior 5. Here we have yes. So if I have yes or no, I can't use WH, okay? So I can't put WH here. So I use what to make question here? Yeah, she ate pizza. If the verb in the past form, so I use did, okay, to make question. So did she? What about it? Eat. Did she eat pizza? Oh, don't forget to put the question mark, okay? So number 5, no, she didn't go to the wedding. No, so I can't put, or I can't use WH question, okay? So did she go to the wedding? Don't forget to put what? Question mark. Number 6. Number 6. She wrote a letter yesterday. I'm asking about what? About time, yesterday. So use when. Don't forget to put the helper verb here. Did. When did she? What is the verb? Wrote. It will be write. When did she write a letter? Can I write yesterday? No, it's wrong. Number 7, I baked pizza yesterday. So I am asking about something. So what did you bake? Without D. Yesterday, but didn't try pizza, okay? The last one, number 8. No, I didn't eat pizza, so I can't use WH question, okay? So I use did to make question here. Did you eat pizza? Okay, Junior 5. Number 9, yes, I studied English 2 hours ago. So if I have yes, don't use WH. So did you study with Y? I will cancel ED, IED, and I put I. Did you study English 2 hours ago? Number 10, Ali went to the club last week. I'm asking about what? The club. So the club here, place, it's a place, so we use where. Where? So where did Ali go last week? Number 11, yes, I listened to music yesterday. I can't use WH question, okay? So I use did to make question here. So did you listen to music yesterday? Number 12, he read a story last week. So I'm asking about what? A story. A story is something, so use what? Did he read last week? Number 13, Ali drank a cup of coffee. Okay, so I'm asking about what? Cup of coffee is something. Okay, so I use what? So what did Ali drink? Yeah, they washed the dishes. So we have yes, so I use did, and this verb in the past form, so I use did. So did they wash the dishes? Number 15, she called her friend yesterday. Okay, so I use what to make here question? I use what. Okay, so what did she do yesterday? Number 16, the dog chased the cat yesterday. Okay, so I use what to make question here. So what did the dog chase?